Hello everyone, I am making this video only for the student assistant who sometimes wants to use this monitor with the MacBook. So if I forget to disconnect the cable and change the display input, so I will show you how you can connect it with the MacBook in case if I forget to disconnect it. So now you can see I am using this PC and it's totally disconnected with the MacBook. So first what you have to do, I already wrote it here. First unplug the USB for Mac from the desktop, and then you have to change the display input. So I will show you step by step. So first I will disconnect the USB from the desktop. You can see this is the USB cable that you have to use for MacBook. So just disconnect it from here. You can see. So this cable needs to connect with this adapter. Let me add it here. So you can see the USB cable is connected with this adapter. So this time if I try to use my mouse and keyboard, it doesn't work here. So and just plug it with the MacBook. So if you plug it here, you can still it will not appear here until you change the display input. So for this you have to click here, and then you have to click here. You have to check the input source. So, and this is the for down arrow, this is the upper arrow. So don't click here, the screen is not touchable. So just click here. So this is HDMI source one, and then click under the green button. Then you can see the MacBook display is now workable in this monitor. Now I can use this mouse as well. So in this way you can connect this MacBook with this monitor. So I hope it will help you. So if I am not here or I forget to disconnect this USB from the desktop, thank you.